Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make KFC style cauliflower fry. Have it along with mayonnaise or tomato ketchup. You will really like it. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take some water, add 1 teaspoon salt, then 300 grams of cauliflower. Boil for 4 minutes on high flame. After 4 minutes, switch off the flame, remove the water and keep it aside for later use. Now we can make the batter. In a bowl, take 1 cup of milk. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, 1 egg. Mix all together. Keep aside for later use. For coating, in another bowl, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix all together. Now we can coat the cauliflower. We have 2 levels of coating. First, just dip in the batter and then coat with the mix. Then mix some amount of batter with the flour for a special combination. Now once again dip in the batter and then mix with the modified coating mixture.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
For frying, take 4 tablespoons oil in a pan and heat it. Deep fry the coated cauliflower pieces. Don't put all pieces together. Fry the pieces as batches to avoid sticking together. Fry it until it turns to light golden brown color. Now our KFC style cauliflower fry is ready. Have it along with mayonnaise or tomato ketchup. You will really like it. Sticking together.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.